This dance is called Afire With Desire. It's a 32 count, 4 wall, beginner stroke improver level line dance. Starting on the right foot, rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left. 2 toe struts travelling forward, right toe strut, left toe strut. Rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step back on the right. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, quarter turn right as you step the left to the side. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, step the right to the side. Quite a few steps means quite a few and-cats. That set of steps once more then, back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back, rock, toe, strut, forward rock, back, rock, turn, back, rock, side. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right into a rumba box going forward. So step left to the side, right beside left, step the left forward. Right to the side, left beside right, step the right back. Add on a Mambo half turn. So we rock back on the left, recover the weight on the right, turn half a turn right as you step back on that left. That set of steps once more then. Back rock off on the left. 7, 8, back, rock, side, close, step, side, close, back, Mambo half. Let's add that to the top. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back, rock, toe, strut, forward rock, back, rock, turn, back, rock, side, close, step, side, close, back, Mambo half. Rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, kick the right, step forward on the right, kick the left, step forward on the left, kick the right, step forward on the right. So it's 3 kick steps. Step forward on the left, pivot a quarter turn right, cross the left over the right, and add on a Mambo cross. So rock to the side on the right, recover on the left, cross the right over the left, Mambo cross. That set of steps once more then, back rock into those kicks. 7, 8, back, rock, kick, step, pivot cross, Mambo cross. Let's add that to the top. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back, rock, toe, strut, forward rock, back, rock, turn, back, rock, side, close, step, side, close, back, Mambo half, back, rock, kick, step, pivot cross, Mambo cross. So to end the dance, we have a section that doesn't start with a back rock. We're going to point. So you point the left to the side, touch the left beside the right, point the left to the side. Into a sailor quarter turn with a cross on the end. So you're going to make that quarter turn as you cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, cross that left over the right. And we're going to throw on some twists just to finish. So obviously you're not really in the ideal foot position to do your twists when you need your feet together. So when you come to do the very first twist, which is your heels going to the right, you need to bring your right foot alongside the left as you do that twist to the right. Then you twist your toes right, twist the heels right. Then we travel back to the left, heels, toes, heels. So just to confirm, you'll be in the cross position. Your left foot effectively will start to twist the heel to the left as you bring the right alongside it. So the right doesn't necessarily do a physical twist on that first step, it just realigns itself back with the left. And then you can add your other twists on. So that little set of steps once more then, points off on the left. 7, 8, point out, in, out, sailor, cross, twist, 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 twist. So heel, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. End of the dance when you get to that bit, so let's put it all together. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back rock, toe strut, forward rock, back rock, turn, back rock, side, close, step, side, close, back, mambo, half, back rock, kick, step, step, pivot, cross, mambo, cross, point out, in, out, sailor, cross, heel, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. So that is your dance. I'll now go through it with the cats. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. So like I said, a lot of hand counts. So that's your dance. It is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back rock, toe strut, forward rock, back rock, turn, back rock, side, close, step, side, close, back, mambo, half, back rock, kick, step, step, pivot, cross, mambo, cross, point out, in, out, sailor, cross, heel, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, back rock, toe strut, forward rock, back rock, turn, back rock, side, close, step, side, close, back, mambo, half, back rock, kick, close, kick, step, pivot, cross, mambo, cross, point out, in, out, sailor, cross, heel, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel, back rock, toe strut, forward rock, back rock, turn, back rock, side, close, step, side, close, back, mambo, half, back rock, kick, step, step, pivot, cross, mambo, cross, point out, in, out, sailor, cross, heel, toe, heel, heel, toe, heel. So that is your dance and your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to their music.
It was a night, ooh, a night it was, it really was such a night. The moon was bright, ooh, how bright it was, it really was such a night. The night was alive, with stars above. When she kissed me, I'd fallen in love.
5, 6, 7, 8. Back rock, toe strut, forward rock, back rock, turn, back rock, side, counting out, sail across, heel turn heel, heel turn heel, back rock toe strut, forward rock back rock turn, back rock side, close step, side close back, mambo half, back rock kick step, step in cross, mambo cross, the counting out, sail across, heel turn heel, back rock toe strut, forward rock back rock turn, back rock side, close step, side close back, mambo half, back rock kick step, step heel cross, mambo cross, counting out, sail across, heel turn heel, back rock toe strut, forward rock back rock turn, back rock side, close step, side close back, mambo half, back rock kick step, step in across, mambo cross, out in out, sail across, heel turn heel, toe struts. Rumba, two kicks, hope you managed that one.